Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a very quick trick on how to facilitate your cooking time in the kitchen. Keep watching and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe as well. Okay. So guys, sometimes we spend a lot of time in the kitchen when we are cooking, right? So but with this video I'm going to be showing you guys just a few tricks on how to facilitate your cooking using your pressure cooker. If you're used to like cooking with stockfish, you know that stockfish takes a lot of time to cook. So here I've got the head of stockfish and the other part of it as well. So this is how I preserve my stockfish. I just put them in this large Ghana must go, and this is how it came from Nigeria. With this Ghana must go this way, and I keep them in my garage and it's safe there. Okay, nothing happens to it, and so I can't keep it inside my house because I don't want it smelling all over the place. So I just grab couple like 1.5 head, and this is what it looks like because my pressure cooker is not that big, it's just little, it's not really that big. Okay, because I like to save some time in the kitchen whenever I'm ready to cook. So at my free time I can do this stuff and then I will save it in my freezer. Once I'm ready to cook, I'll just grab them and defrost them in my microwave, and voila, I'm ready to cook instead of wasting a lot of time. Okay, so all I will do now is to go ahead and pour in some hot water inside my stockfish to enable me wash it very well. You know, all these stockfish that you buy, sometimes they are being rolled on the floor from one hand to another hand. So whenever you buy stuff like this, you need to make sure you wash them very well. Okay, yeah, so I soak them in the water for like a minute or two. Then once they are like sanitized properly, the way to me I see it as sanitizing process. Okay, so once I have it there for like a minute or two, then I'll go ahead and add in a little bit of room temperature water to cool it off a little bit so I can handle it a little. Not that I'll be putting my hand inside deep right in there. It's still kind of hot. You can see it's still very smoky. It's hot. Yeah, but at least I can manage at this point. So you see those numbers there. At this point, the numbers are easy to wash off. Go ahead and clean up your stockfish very well. Okay, it's very important. Then I'll continue doing this, scrubbing all over the corners, making sure I remove all those dirty stuff that looks like it's stuck right there. Yep, you need to wash all of that out. So at this point, my stockfish is all clean and ready to go. And here I've got my pressure cooker. So this pressure cooker can pressurize the hardest meat or stockfish or beans or whatever it is in no time. Like sometimes I cook my beans for like close to an hour, but with this pressure cooker I can cook my beans in less than 8 minutes. Yes, my beans is soft. So here I'll go ahead and place all the stockfish in the pressure cooker pot, and I will go ahead and top that up with enough water. So I boil the water. Yeah, the water I boil it to pour inside there to facilitate the cooking process as well, because when you place it inside the pressure cooker with cold water, then it takes a little bit of maybe few more minutes before it heats up, before it gets pressurized. So when I add hot water as well, it's another way of cutting time. Okay, so normally if I'm cooking this stockfish in my stove or on my stove, I will cook it for like about 45 minutes to an hour before it becomes soft. But with this pressure cooker, go ahead and turn that on. Okay, I'll put it on high pressure, and I'll put it in 8 minutes. I think 8 minutes, yep. So I'll go ahead and make sure the valve is properly covered and everything is sealed. Then I'll let it cook. 8 million years later, yeah. So I cooked this for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I went ahead and opened up the valve. As you can see the heat, you can see that heat, the pressure is releasing. The pressure port can never open at this point. It will not open until it has released all this pressure. So that's why you have to open it up to release the pressure. So at this point it's open. I can easily open that up. Okay, yeah. So that's just the process of this pressure cooker. I love this pressure cooker so much. It saves me a whole lot of time in the kitchen. And the stockfish is very soft now, so it depends on how soft you want your stockfish to be. If you don't want it very, very soft, you can just put the number at 6 or 5. It depends. So that's it for you guys today. Very quick recipe. Thank you for watching. I will see you all on my next one. Bye.